The 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, automatic transmission, front air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, front-wheel drive. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.